Hey everybody, today I'm checking out this industrial table lamp that I received for event purposes. It's a really nice one that you can use on your desk, on your living room, or whatever you want, as it has a really nice design that I think is going to be perfect for anyone, okay? It comes really well protected, as you can see, with foam, and it has everything that we are going to need to assemble it in here, okay? Let me take everything out of the box. And here we've got the base. And we even get a light bulb included, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, let me take it out of here. And as I've said, this is the weighted base. I think that it's nice because that way you can just set it up and it won't fall off or move, anything like that. This is the main unit and this knob to set it up. Okay, so let me just get everything ready, set it up, and let's see how it looks. Come on.
This desk lamp features a all-metal lamp body. That way it ensures a long-lasting durability and sturdy weight. And with its space, you will make sure that it won't tip or fall anytime that you adjust it or make any kind of collision with it.
Okay, and as you can see now it's already assembled up. I think that it's really nice. With this knob we can adjust the height of it. Okay, as you can see we can make it higher, and just twisting it like this will be set up, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, we have this other knob that we can use to adjust the light. Okay, however we want to adjust it, we can just set it up like this, which I think that it's also really great. And well, let's just plug it in, and with this knob we can turn it on. And as you can see, it comes included with a nice warm white light bulb that I think that is gonna be really nice. It has, as I've said, a really interesting design that makes it quite industrial and quite beautiful. It has this really beautiful finish, and I think that it looks amazing. And well, let me turn off the lights. Okay, as you can see, it's really nice. It gives a really beautiful ambient light, and well, let's see how it looks when we make it a little bit taller.
You can easily adjust the lamp height to fit into any desk or table. Swivel the lamp head a full 180 degrees for a versatile up lighting for ambience or for a more task-focused down lighting. You can create the ideal mood for reading, working, or relaxing with this really beautiful bronze age finish lamp.
You can set it up however you like it. I'm gonna set it up on this side like this. And I think that it's really beautiful. As I've said, it gives a perfect ambient light, and you can use it if you want to place it upon your bed, in your dining room, in your living room. I think that it's a beautiful piece that can mix a really nice design and combination with any kind of decoration. And overall, I think that it's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.